Hey, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today we're going to be making zucchini chocolate cake, and I'll give you the full recipe for this. But there is something that I forgot. If you haven't figured it out by now, I'll tell you what that was. So stay with me throughout the whole video. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this together. Add half a cup of butter to the mixing bowl. Then add 1 1/3 cup of white sugar. And how about a couple of large eggs? Mix that together a little bit, and then add 2 cups of grated zucchini. Then half a cup of vegetable oil. And once again, give that a little mix. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now half a teaspoon of baking powder and a generous teaspoon of cinnamon. Then add 6 tablespoons of cocoa. And once again, give that a little bit of a mix. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And for even more flavoring, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla. Then add 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and half a cup of milk. Now mix this together very thoroughly until it's really well combined. Okay, so let's check out the batter and see what it should look like. Now go ahead and pour that batter into your greased cake pan and spread that batter out evenly. Now I'm going to put the cake into the oven and bake it at 325 degrees. Place it on the middle rack and set the timer for about 40 minutes. And the cake is done when a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean, of course. That's as much as I can show you. I went ahead and frosted it and we really enjoyed it. It was a great cake, but I forgot to get a photo to show you guys. So I apologize. I didn't get a signature photo and I know everyone looks forward to that part. You could frost it with buttercream frosting or with chocolate pudding frosting. I have both those recipes on other videos. This is a really good zucchini chocolate cake recipe. It's really great for snacking on. And thanks for taking the time to watch this all the way through. And it really helps boost the channel when you give a comment and a thumbs up. Have fun, and until next time, happy eating.